Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at the Lun.Galaxy 24h over weekly, another quick pulse indicator in the opportunity category. We already covered the Galaxy score and its monthly comparison. This one narrows the window. It compares the last 24 hours to the weekly average, giving you the fastest possible read on whether a project's health is improving or declining right now. Quick reminder, of course, the Galaxy score measures a project's overall health against itself, combining market performance and social media activity. Unlike the @rank, which ranks projects against each other, the Galaxy score is self-referential. It tells you how the project is doing compared to its own history. The 24-hour over weekly version compares today's Galaxy score to the average of the past 7 days. And remember, for the Galaxy score, higher is better, so a percentage above 100 means the last 24 hours have been stronger than the weekly average. Below 100 means weaker. Why 24 hours? Because in crypto, news cycles are incredibly fast. One headline can shift sentiment in hours. This matrix is built to capture exactly that, the immediate impact of events on a project's social and market momentum. So let's take Paul for the example with a pretty perfect opportunity score with 99 over 100. When we scroll down, we can see that the Lun.Galaxy score is clearly in green. That means today's Galaxy score is almost 30% higher than the weekly average. The project's health, both on social media and in the market, has noticeably improved in the last 24 hours compared to what the week has been looking like. Something positive is actually happening, maybe a partnership announcement, a listing, growing buzz around the narrative. Whatever the cause, the data shows it, the momentum is there, today stronger than the recent trend. Green is confirming that the project is gaining strength right now. Now let's take Chainlink with a pretty good one, opportunity score 2. When we scroll down, we can see that the Lun.Galaxy score is this time in red. That means today's Galaxy score is roughly half of the weekly average. A significant drop. The project's combined social and market health has taken a hit in the last 24 hours. Now, does that mean Chainlink is in trouble? Not necessarily. We know Chainlink is a fundamentally strong project with excellent scores across the board, but today specifically, something has cooled off. Maybe attention has shifted temporarily to other narratives. The red is telling you right now, in this moment, the momentum is weaker than it's been over the past week. And that is exactly the kind of information that is useful for timing. If you are planning to enter a position on Chainlink, seeing red on the Galaxy 24-hour over weekly might make you wait a day or two to see if the momentum recovers. Or if you're already in, it's a reminder to keep an eye on what's happening in the short term. As usual, click on the number and you go directly to the Galaxy chart on Lun.Crush. There you can see the full evolution, how the Galaxy score has moved over time, how it correlates with price, and whether today's dips or spike is part of a larger pattern. As always, go check it by yourself. So, use this metric as your daily health check for any project. Green and above 100, the last 24 hours are stronger than the week. Momentum is clearly building. Red and below 100, today is weaker. Something has shifted, and combined with the monthly version we covered before, you get the full picture. Is this a blip or a part of a larger trend? And when you see a strong project like Chainlink flash red on this metric, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. It's a snapshot, not a verdict. Cross-reference it with the other indicators, check Lun.Crush for the details, and make your own call. As always, you are the analyst. CryptoScores gives you the pulse. You decide what to do with it. Lun.Crush Galaxy 24-hour over weekly, how a project's health is doing today versus this week. Check it on CryptoScores.com and we will see you there in the next one.